Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
I said if it was me, I'd be slowing down because how close they keep getting.
Yeah, and they're gonna. I knew they were gonna do that. Yeah, he does.
One defensive player of the year?
Maybe, but he does have a ring though.
Yeah.
Go. Shit, man. No, he was waiting for the lady. Oh, shit!
He's lucky that one wasn't real, bro. If it was real.
Oh.
Oh!
What the?
Oh my God!
What an idiot. What an idiot.
How do you not see me?
Facts.
No, you're saying that like,
Oh.
Jeez. Oh my God.
Lunch, some people getting out of work too. Liz Louise.
they got him on dash cam. These two were.
What an idiot.
Current loop video is now locked.
This thing keeps going.
Hey!
Have imagined. He's more resilient, and he's very passionate about saving. America, saving this country.
You do it!
To do it. So, great lesson for all of us. Ultra Pepe Lives Matter says the enemies and foes that come up against us can be used as a way to
Okay, Garmin. Say video. I got it on video. You want it? Yes, please. I'll come around.
I've been in the dark. Me and my brothers ain't missing.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.